So, we already have seen so many things about the Samsung's next Unpacked event. And today we have something even more cool. Now, this might not be the most surprising one, but it certainly looks cool. Now, last week we saw the high-resolution renders of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4. You can check out those videos. I will link down below. Now, today, it's the time for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Watch 5 Pro. And boy, they look good. And all these leaks are thanks to Even and 91 mobiles. The Galaxy Watch 5 can be seen here in a variety of colors, like Bora Purple, which is literally a purple, or pink gold, or gold, and graphite. Now, it will also be available in other colors like blue and also a white silver. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, on the other hand, will only have two color options, black titanium, gray titanium. Now, as for the previous leak, the Galaxy Watch 5 will come in two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm, just like the Galaxy Watch 4. But the Watch 5 Pro, on the other hand, which is replacing the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and its physical rotating bezel with a haptic-enabled digital bezel, will only come in one size, 45mm. Maybe it will be 46mm, but we don't know that. But maybe 45, maybe 46. But that's not the only big change coming with these two devices. There is a massive boost in battery capacities, but I will tell you about that. Now, both of the watches will also run latest version of Wear OS with One UI watch interface on top. And this will actually bring quite a lot of changes. They might not be the major changes, at least the leaked ones, but certainly they will upgrade the everyday user experience. Now, about the displays, we haven't heard anything, but they will be circular and OLED display, that's we know. But other than that, we know that it will come with the GPS, ECG, blood compression sensor, NFC, barometer, accelerometer, whatnot, and even they will all come with LTE support. So yeah, in that department, it's gonna be identical. But one thing that we have heard in the past, that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro might feature a temperature sensor or thermometer. But we don't know Samsung will be able to finish that this year. Because after all, we have seen the leaks. It seems that Samsung is doing the groundwork, but the problem is measuring the core temperature from the skin, or at that too even from the wrist, is a little too hard. So Samsung will have to figure these things out first, and only then they can deliver. And that too, they will have to go through certifications and all those stuff. So this year it might not come. As for the batteries, there is gonna be a great upgrade. First and foremost, the charging speed will be now 10 watt instead of 5 watt. That means the watches will be much faster in terms of charging, like much faster. But what about the battery life? Well, the 40mm Watch 5 will be powered by a 276 mAh battery, which is 12% larger than the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4's 247. And the same way, the 44mm will get a 10% bump to 397 mAh, up from 361. Whereas the Pro model will get the biggest battery jump, and it is just crazy to think about. 572 mAh battery, almost 60% larger than the biggest battery can be found inside any Galaxy Watch 4 model. Not just that, even a reliable leaker said that it will have a 3-day battery life. That is just crazy to think about in this world of smartwatches with LTE connectivity. Like how? How crazy is that? So yeah, regardless of what you think about the bezels, some people do like that haptic bezel, some people will hate it because there is no classic variant this year and there is not gonna be a physical rotating bezel. But we still gonna get a lot of upgrades in other areas. And hopefully the haptics will be good enough to make you feel like it's the real thing, it's the physical one. Hopefully, we will see. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you really excited about the Watch 5 Pro, or are you just gonna buy the Watch 5 this year? Hey, I will take a few seconds to introduce to you my latest wallpaper pack, Agate. Now, these are insanely sharp, beautiful, high-resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website, joindavid.com, for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.